Damage is inevitable in a busy warehouse. Every time a forklift bumps your pallet rack, you risk expensive repairs, lost time, and dangerous failures. Stop replacing, start protecting. Guide rails are built to secure your racks, absorbing the impact and guiding equipment safely away from your uprights. It's an investment that pays for itself immediately. By installing guide rails, you avoid costly repairs, drastically cut down on maintenance bills, and keep your operations running smoothly. The rails don't just protect. They improve efficiency. They create clear traffic lanes, encouraging safer driving and extending the lifespan of your entire racking system. Contact us and let's get your warehouse protected today.